Now today let's start with chapter number 16, the invention of wheel. So in this chapter we will study about how was the wheel invented. So early men, now farmers, learned to domesticate animals. They settled down at one place because they did not need to roam in search of food. What settled life gave them a free time. People began to sit together. They started singing and dancing. They also expressed their feeling through painting. We can still see some wall paintings of early men in the caves. They also began to think about their future. They developed many new things. And men and women, they worked together. उन्होंने एक साथ काम करा. And what they did, they made pots for storing food and grain. They met people living in nearby settlement. जो आसपास लोग रहते थे वो उनसे मिलते थे. And then we have sledge. They use sledge to move to the long distances. So this was very tiring. They managed to use few sticks. A sledge is a cart without wheel. So they also used animals. वो animals का use करते थे sledge को pull करने के लिए, right? So they used to carry hard or heavy goods with the help of the sledge. Next is raft. Early men saw some logs of wood floating in water. They used these logs for traveling on water. They tied the log together with reeds and creepers and to make rafts. They noticed that tree with a hollow trunk floats easily. Such trees were probably for sports. What they used? They used it for carrying loads. Now early men was bit more comfortable. To travel on land was still a big problem for them. One day what happened to early men here? It's noticed that a log of wood was rolling from the mountain. So with this, they get the idea of wheel. They started searching for a round thing which could roll easily on the ground. They took a round log of wood and put it under a load. Now the load moved easily, and this was probably the first wheel invented by men. Then wheel cart. The round logs were improved and slowly took the shape of wheels. Now sledge became wheeled cart. Early men progress was very fast after the invention of wheel. After some time, what happened? Men developed a wheel for making pottery. The potter wheel is in the use even today, and the invention of wheel has changed the life of the people. Now early men found some stones which were harder than ordinary stone. They heated them in the fire और उन्होंने मेटल बनाया. उन स्टोन से क्या बनाया? मेटल बनाया. And they cleared jungles for producing more food and for people. A large number of people started living in one place. So sometimes they fought with each other and disturbed the peace in the community. Laws were then framed to make life comfortable. This led to further progress and men developed very fast. Right? Then we have modern means of transport. Now we use car, motorcycle, buses to move from one place to another. So some new means of transport are bicycle, scooter, car, bus, train, aeroplane. And the means of communication are telegraph, telephone, television. The man of today is much wiser, more hardworking and powerful. So they had made the life very comfortable for themselves. But in some part of the world, people still like early men. Right? अब भी बहुत जगह ऐसा है कि बहुत लोग अब भी कैसे रह रहे हैं जैसे अर्ली मैन रहते हैं. राइट. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इन दिस चैप्टर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.